Hello and welcome to All-in-One SEO 5.0. You've been getting your content graded on keywords and readability before you publish. The question is, what catches the typo? Because your browser doesn't know your brand name is a word. That's the new spell checker, and it sits inside your SEO rather than beside it. Open any post, choose the optimization tab, then spelling, and you can see how many spelling errors are in your content straight away. Every misspelled or unrecognized word is listed with a count of how often it appears. So a name you've typed wrong across a long post only takes one pass to clear. Click it to jump to exactly where it sits. Then pick a correction built around what you actually typed. There's nothing to configure either. Open a post, click optimization, choose spelling, and the count is already there, without opening and saving the post first. You can work from the list or straight from the red underlines that appear as you write. Add to Dictionary teaches it your own vocabulary, so a bakery can stop its brand name from being flagged for good, and Manage Dictionary keeps everything you added in one place. Language is auto-detected across 10 or more languages, and you can set it by hand when the guess is wrong, so a travel writer posting in Spanish gets graded in Spanish. Spelling runs locally as you write, so it costs you no AI credits, and the typo turns up before you publish instead of the moment after. That's a spell checker in 5.0, included on every plan with no upgrade needed. Update your plugin today and learn more at allinOneSEO.com.